Hello everyone, you are watching Math Madlis with Dr. Khalil. In this video, I'll be starting chapter 8, that is quadratic equations. In chapter 7, we have studied the linear equations. Now we study in this quadratic equation. You know that this is a linear equation because the power of x is 1. But in this chapter we study the quadratic equations, which is of this type, where the highest power of x is 2. And here a not 0, b can be 0, c can be 0, and here a, b, c are real number and the variable is x. So the simplest what we call quadratic equation is this, x square equal to 0, or in other words x square plus 2x equal to 0, or x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. These are all the quadratic equation. So one variable, the highest power of the variable is 2, and it is a very important. This may be there, this will not be there. This is very important. So in this we study the quadratic equation. What we have seen in chapter 7, that whenever we have a linear equation, we have one solution, and wherever we have quadratic equation, remember we have two solutions. So solving linear equation means finding one solution, solving quadratic equation means finding the two solutions. But before we come to this, one has to understand that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is a standard form of writing a quadratic equation where power of x 2, then x 1, then no x, and the right hand side is 0. But in this case, you have to be careful here that the nature of solution. The solutions of this quadratic equation depends upon this quantity, b square minus 4ac. What is this a, b, c? A is a number with x square, b is number with x, c is a pure number, no x. So this a, b, c you put here. There are three conditions here. If b square minus 4ac is 0, 2, b square minus 4ac is less than 0, or b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So these three scenario happens whenever we have this. If it is 0, then we have two real equal solutions. That means both the solutions are same. Two real equal solutions when it is equal to 0. If it is greater than 0, here we have two real unequal solutions. That means we have two real solutions and both are different, not the same. But if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, remember no real solution. So remember this fact. So this b square minus 4ac, which is also known as discriminant. So known as discriminant. So if this discriminant, the value of this discriminant will give me the nature of the solution. It will give the idea about the nature of the solution, whether you get two real equal solution, whether you get no real solution, whether you get two real unequal solution. So this is very crucial to know exactly how the solution exists for quadratic equations. And also the formula to find the solutions for two solutions are this: x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2. This is the formula to find the two solution of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. But you have to be very careful. Before you find a, b, c and substitute in this formula, you have to be very careful. The right hand side should be 0. If it is not 0, make it 0. Then find a, b, c. Remember, a is the number with x square, b is the number with x, and c is pure number, no x there. So let's see examples from section 8.1. Number 1. Solve using the quadratic formula. 4m square plus m minus 3 equal to 0. Use the quadratic formula just now I gave you to solve, to find the solution of this. It is already in the standard form. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Right hand side we have a 0, no issue. So a is 4, number with m square, b is 1 because no number means 1, and c is minus 3, not plus 3 because you have a minus here. So putting these values in this formula, quadratic formula divided by 2a. You put here minus b minus 1 plus or minus b square, that is 1 square minus 4 into a into c, you see, divided by 2 into 4, and use the values here. So minus 1 plus or minus, it is root, what is it, 1 minus into minus plus 16 into 3, it is 48 divided by 8. 48 plus 1, 49, so it is a perfect square, so minus 1 plus or minus 49 divided by 8. So that gives me minus 1 plus or minus 7 divided by 8. Now how do I get this two solution for this? Because of this. You take plus, you get 1. You take minus, you will get the. So the two solutions are x is equal to minus 1 plus 7 by 8. That is x is equal to minus 6 by 8, one solution. Another solution, x is equal to minus 1 minus 7 by 8, minus 8 by 8. That is x is equal to minus. So minus 1 minus 6 by 8 are two solutions. exactly the similar way. You can do all the example in the same way, but especially the example number 30. Let's see. Number 30. 3t t minus 2 equal to 2. So it is not in the standard form. First open the bracket. 3t square minus 6t equal to 2. First opening the bracket. Right hand side is not 0. Make it 0. 3t square minus 6t minus 2 equal to 0. Now find ABC. A is 3, B is minus 6 and C is minus 2. Then put this in the quadratic formula and find the answer. Similarly, the same question number 14 and question number 15, the same thing. So first write in the standard form, then find ABC. If there is any bracket, open it and then do the things. So that's the end of the examples from 1 to 18, solving quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Thank you.